Say hi. Go say hi, Sunshine. Go ahead. Go say hi. Yeah. He likes you, see? He's saying hi, Taffy. Go say hi. Are you a pretty boy? Pretty boy, Sunshine? Pretty boy, Sunshine? Hello? 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 Mr. Noisy in the morning? Time to wake up. Time for everybody in the household to get up at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. So everybody get up. The sun shines up, so everybody get up. Yeah. Yeah, we'll put one of the... What? Look what you got. How about look what you did? You came out of your cage. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. Aren't you a big brave? Aren't you a big brave boy? Yeah, you're a big brave boy. You would step on my hand too, wouldn't you? Yeah, you would. What? Yeah. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Sunshine. Mr. Sunshine. I thought you'd go up there. Look at you, big boy. See, baby, he coming out, don't ya? Oh. He's a pretty boy. He's a pretty boy. I was just seeing if we got you on camera. Yeah. I didn't get a little piece of paper down there. Don't poop on my floor. You're checking things out. Yes, we're going to have to Mr. Sunshine proof everything. Hallelujah. Say hallelujah. Oh. Yeah, why don't you go to the top of your cage? I thought that's the first place you'd head. Yeah, it's a lot to look at, ain't your new home? 2 weeks. And you came out. That's pretty good for you. Yeah, that's Taffy sitting here watching you. Yeah, it's Taffy. Look at her. It's Taffy girl. You like Taffy, don't you? Oh. It's Taffy girl. It's Taffy girl. Taffy's a good girl. Is Mr. Sunshine a good boy? Are you a good boy? You a pretty boy? You a pretty boy? Pretty boy, Sunshine. Mr. Sunshine. Mr. Sunshine. Go out to him. Go ahead. Go out. Go say hi. Not to eat the seeds. You're not supposed to eat the seeds. Mr. Sunshine came out of his cage. Pretty boy. I'm proud of you. Big boy. It's a big boy. He's a big boy. Yes, he is. Go ahead. Go up to the top. You can do it. You can go up to the top there. I didn't open the top, but you can get up there. The way you climb around like a little monkey. I don't know if you're a monkey or a parrot. Are you a monkey or a parrot? He's a pretty boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. You come out. Yeah. That's a lot to look at, huh? Walking around and flying around. Don't you fly off. Don't you fly off yet. That's too soon to do that. I'd rather if you didn't fly yet. Yeah, I'd rather if you didn't fly yet. You checking things out? Yeah, no. What you think, huh? What you think? Oh, that's a good boy. That was enough for today. You did good. Yes, you did. Yeah, what do I think of that? I think you did good. You're a brave bird. You're a brave Mr. Sunshine. Yeah. Would you like a peanut for that? Would you like a peanut? Would you like a peanut for that? You were such a good boy. Would you like a peanut? There you go. Good boy. Good boy.